Hey, hello guys. How are you doing? This is Swanati. So let's start our today's video with our motto: Winning is a choice, and we choose to win always. Today's topic is about Adani Groups. Lot of people are asking like whether I can take fresh entry or the people who have already taken position long back. They are having a doubt whether they can book profit now. So let's check the stocks one by one. I have taken the weekly chart here so that we can have a long term understanding about the stocks movement. So this is Adani Port, and uh, the previous resistance was around 900. So now the price is 909, and if it's like it is trying to break the previous support, right? So um, it has already today it has like this week if it closed above 900, and if it sustains above 900 to 905, then we can expect a very good movement, like another 100 to 200 points move in Adani ports, because it is breaking its previous resistance zone. And next we will see about Adani Power. Adani Power has found a rounding bottom here, and it has already has given its uh, target for the rounding bottom. The target has already done, and now still it is moving. The candle patterns are looking very strong, but the same time the volume is not gaining. But uh, my point of view is like if the people who have taken entry around this point, they can start trialing, and I'm expecting since all the energy stocks are gaining nowadays. I'm expecting Adani Power to move for another 30 to 40 points, but fresh entries are not advisable, because it is already uh, gave the target of for the rounding bottom, and it is moving upside, and there is no further previous resistance and all. It is all time high. Adani Green is also moving upside, like the volume is good, and it has broken this resistance zone and all, and it is moving upside. This is the consolidation zone, so it is breaking out and it is going up, and fresh entry is not advisable, but if the price is consolidates, say if the price is consolidating around this zone, and if it closed above that, and then we can um, expect further move. This is Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises is moving non-stop, and it has sustained above 2000 and all, and it is going up. And any pullback in Adani Enterprises are to take entry. The people who have already taken position long back can trial their profits in Adani Enterprises. This is Gas, and Adani Gas is also moving upside, but this level, this 2740 or 2740 to 2750 will act as a resistance, and if the price closes above that, and if it sustains above 2750, then we can expect another 200 to 300 points of move in Adani Total Gas. This is Adani Transmission. Uh, like here also, Adani Gas also having some resistance, nearby resistance. It is Adani Gas is having resistance around to 2750. The same type of pattern has formed here in Adani Transmission also. This candle is having long upper wick, like where it has formed is at 3000 it has formed the um, resistance, and 3000 will act as a psychological zone, like both buyers and sellers will try to gain the get the control, and they will buyers both buyers and sellers will come and they will fight for that level. So I'm expecting like 3000. If it sustains only, it will move up, or otherwise it will consolidate for some time. But these Adani gas consolidating the resistance zone. If it sustains, it can move further. Like it is somewhat like bull flag, right? So this is the flag, and this, if you can take it, you can take it as a bull flag. So it will move upside, but it is not having any psychological resistance and all. But on the other hand, Adani transmission is having some psychological resistance level around 3000. So trialing is better, or booking profit is better, as if it and if it unable, 3000, if it is not gaining strength to move further upside, then it will move sideways or it will fall down. And then Dani Wilmer. So as the sunflower oil and all edible oils are having so much demand nowadays, and the Adani Wilmer is moving upside like anything. And the people who have, but once the edible oil problem got solved, means it will again fall down. So fresh entries is not advisable here, and you can trial your profit for another. I can expect it will move on for another 100 to 150 points. So we have gone through all the Adani groups. Adani port is has closed above. If this in this week, if it close above and sustain 900 and 905, then we can expect it to move further for to give another 200 300 points move. And then Adani Power has already done the targets of rounding bottom, and it is moving upside. Fresh entries is not advisable. And then Adani Green, it is consolidating. If it breaks this level and sustains above this zone, then we can expect further upside move. But on the same time, 23, uh, 20, 20 you can expect around 3000, it will have a psychological resistance zone. And then Adani ENT, no stopping, it is moving upside. And then Adani gas, if it sustains this level, then we can expect another further move, as it is somewhat forming like a bull flag. Then Adani transmission, psychological resistance is nearby like 3000. So if it sustains only, it will move upside. And Wilmer is moving upside because of the edible oils demand, and it will move up till it has the demand. So that's all for today. Signing off. This is Swanati. Remember, you can always trade better than you think.